what are you doing at this age on social media, that it's never too late to start anything in your life. कभी कभी तो लगा ये सब डिलीट कर कर भाग जाऊं. I thought hashtags were used for the shopping list. Hey everyone, welcome to Travel Smart. I'm so glad you stopped by. This video is a little special as it's personal. आप ये समझ लीजिए कि हम लोग साथ में बैठकर चाय पी रहे हैं और गपशप मार रहे हैं. Well, travel has always been a big part of my life and मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि I've been very lucky to have, gotten the chance to travel to so many countries, new places and see some new cultures. That's also because my husband was working in the Merchant Navy and we would go to different places. But also both of us just love traveling. So we've been lucky that way, yeah. And somewhere along the way, I thought, why not share those stories, those experiences with you all? जब I thought of starting a YouTube channel, पहले मुझे लगा कि let me start a cooking channel since I'm a good cook and that was the obvious thing. But then some of my friends said, Preeti, you like travel so much and you have so much of experience in traveling. So why don't you, start a YouTube channel on travel? और बस वो आइडिया मेरे दिमाग में स्टिक हो गया. कभी कभी सिंपल एडवाइस भी आपकी लाइफ चेंज कर देती है ना? बट ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड I didn't know a thing about social media. I thought hashtags were used for the shopping list. Yes, I did think that way. But then we learned. Well, initially मैंने Instagram से start किया. When I started posting, it wasn't perfect. Nothing ever is in the beginning actually. लेकिन oh my god, जब वो first likes, वो comments जो आए, I felt so happy because from having 0 likes to no comments at all and you get so much of love and appreciation, everyone would love it and so did I. Well, that gave me motivation. अब मैं आपको एक चीज़ अपने बारे में बताती हूँ. I'm actually an introvert. Being in front of the camera was a huge challenge for me. But धीरे धीरे with patience, with practice and a little bit of pep talks of course, जो वो आप करते हैं मिरर के आगे खड़े होकर. Yes, I did that too. Well, that helped. And of course, I became more confident. And let's be honest, हर जर्नी में अप्स एंड डाउन्स तो होते ही हैं. रीटेक्स, ब्लूपर्स, सिली आर्ग्यूमेंट्स और बहुत सारा लाफ्टर. कभी कभी तो लगा ये सब डिलीट कर कर भाग जाऊं, लेकिन यही तो मज़ा है इस जर्नी का. सीखना, ग्रो करना और हंसी मजाक के साथ आगे बढ़ना. एक चीज़ जो मुझे रियली सरप्राइज की वो था द रिएक्शन ऑफ द पीपल. एक्चुअली में मैंने सोचा बहुत नेगेटिविटी मिलेगी. पीपल माइट थिंक व्हाट आर यू डूइंग एट दिस एज ऑन सोशल मीडिया और समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, people were so sweet to me. They would, give me such sweet comments and, बहुत अच्छे से reply करते थे. They gave me so much of respect and that gave me more confidence. It motivated me all the more to continue doing this. And that's what keeps me going. It feels like we are building a community of good vibes. तो travel smart क्यों? क्योंकि मेरे लिए ट्रैवल सिर्फ एयरपोर्ट्स और चेकलिस्ट देखना नहीं है. इट्स अबाउट बीइंग क्यूरियस, thoughtful and really experiencing the moment. Whether it's a luxury stay, a road trip, or even find a cafe in any city or country, I don't just want to share destinations with you, but I also want to tell you a few travel hacks, some smart tips, and lifestyle moments that I have gained along the journey through my experience, which makes the journey more fun and stress free. और जब मैं travel नहीं कर रही हूँ तो आपको lifestyle content मिलेगा यहाँ पर, क्योंकि आप रोज़ तो travel नहीं करते हैं. Cooking, daily routines, reflections सब share करूँगी मैं आपके साथ. थोड़ा fun, थोड़ा inspiration और थोड़ा सा behind the scenes भी. मैंने अपनी इस जर्नी से एक चीज़ ज़रूर सीखी है, दैट इट्स नेवर टू लेट टू स्टार्ट एनीथिंग इन योर लाइफ. Don't let your age, fear, or doubt ever stop you from doing something that you want to. We actually have one life, and you don't know how good you are at something unless and until you try it, right? और हाँ, फेल भी हो सकते हैं, पर आपके पास एक अच्छी स्टोरी तो होगी. तो आप इस चैनल पर क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं? एक लॉन्ग वीडियो एवरी सैटरडे और कुछ शॉर्ट रील्स throughout the week. Travel vlogs, lifestyle tips, hacks और कभी कभी bloopers भी. Basically, real life जैसी है वैसे ही. मैं चाहूँगी कि आप भी मेरी इस जर्नी के पार्ट बनिए. So please hit that subscribe button to give me some more motivation, and please like and share this video so that many people of my age would get inspiration to do something that they love. Comment below and say hi. Let's connect. Travel Smart सिर्फ मेरा चैनल ही नहीं, ये हमारी एक कम्युनिटी है. Well, thank you so much for watching. I am Preeti Basi and this is Travel Smart, where we explore, live and inspire together. See you in the next video.